How do I retrieve my voicemail messages?
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about a basic yet essential skill that many of us take for granted: how to retrieve your voicemail messages. This process can differ slightly depending on your mobile service provider and the model of your phone, but we will cover the most common method used on most devices.
Understanding what voicemail is.
Before we dive into the process, it's important to understand what voicemail is. Voicemail is a system that allows callers to leave you audio messages when you are unable to take their calls. You can then listen to these messages at your convenience.
Accessing your voicemail system.
To retrieve your voicemail messages, you'll first need to access your voicemail system. For most mobile phones, you can do this by holding down the 1 key on your phone's dial pad. Alternatively, you can dial your own phone number from your device to access your voicemail system.
Navigating through your voicemail menu.
Once you've accessed your voicemail system, you'll typically hear a series of prompts. These prompts guide you through the different options available. To listen to your messages, you usually need to press a specific number on your dial pad. This number varies by provider, but it's often 1 or 2.
Listening to your messages.
After you select the appropriate option to hear your messages, they will play automatically. Most voicemail systems provide options for pausing, rewinding, or deleting messages during playback, and these options are usually communicated to you by the automated system.
Checking for new voicemails.
Remember, new voicemails are typically indicated by a notification on your phone. Look for a symbol that looks like a tape recorder or an envelope on your device's status bar. That's it. You should now know how to retrieve your voicemail messages. As we mentioned, the specific steps can vary depending on your service provider and your phone model, so be sure to refer to your device's manual or your service provider's website if you encounter any issues. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy voicemail checking!